will take forever. When I try to achieve my agenda, there's always something in my way. Somebody texting, send me pictures, something interesting and that it's a channel. There's so much to do, I have not started. TikTok wins in this battle. I'll do it later, I will do it later, but I need to check or like some comments now. I'll do it later, I will do it later. Please tell me, my friend, how to become better. I wish the day would be more than 24 hours in my life. Maybe then I finish my homework and start the cleaning in my room. Somebody texting, send me pictures, something interesting on that YouTube channel. There's so much to do, I have not started. TikTok wins in this battle. I'll do it later, I will do it later, but I need
bit more.
be more than 24 hours in my life. Maybe then I'll finish my homework and start the cleaning in my room. Somebody texting, send me pictures, something interesting on that YouTube channel. There's so much to do. nervous. Give me some room. I want to belong to no one. I wanna spend some time alone, and now with you, you always bother me with something. You make me do what I don't want, and you leave me all alone. Why don't you remember that my age is tender? Maybe you never were young like me, but you wanna know all under your control. Can you be my friend then, not my enemy? I want to belong to no one. I wanna spend some time alone, and now with you, you always bother me with something. You make me do what I don't want, and you leave me all alone. Someday you will know me. You'll see what's wrong. You might always right, but be on my side. I want to belong to no one. I wanna spend some time alone, and now with you, you always bother me with something. You make me do what I don't want, and you leave me all alone. No one. I wanna spend some time alone, and now with you, you always bother me with something. You make me do what I don't want, and you leave me all alone.
I'm leaving home, gotta go. So much to see, my destiny. Can't find no God, now I cry. But memories can't run from me. I see my past running away. I know things don't last. This one could stay. Wow, just a little bit more.